helium balloon. Take one.
No, take 4.
Take 4. What?
Hello. Oh my goodness. I feel amazing. Oh my gosh, I could do this all day. And ever.
You sound like Fred. You know too much of that stuff will make you pass out, bro, right?
Oh my gosh, you made me pass out. Really? Must do more.
Breathe, Hayden, breathe.
Yep, I'm breathing.
Get a little lightheaded over there, something?
Yeah.
Okay, still breathing.
Hello, I am Hayden Willett, and I just inhaled all the helium in this balloon. I sound like a kid from on TV, and I'm trying to be serious right now because my voice is really weird and it's not working. What the hell is going on, guys? Really? Okay.